In this video, I will share with you how you can go from zero to 25,000 US dollars per month just by using a simple sales framework. Now, this is a sales framework that we have been using to generate over 7 figures every single month in sales revenue. And not only that, it has been battle tested by some of the great brands into edtech space in India. So, without any further delay, let's jump in. So, here we are. Now, before jumping onto this document, I would really like to share with you a couple of components in a business that really help you to achieve a certain revenue. चाहे आप वो $20,000 है, $50,000 है, चाहे वो $100K क्यों ना हो. So it's very important to understand that sales is just one of the component of the business. अगर आपके messaging correct नहीं है, अगर आपकी marketing सही से नहीं हो रही है, then definitely you're gonna suffer in sales. So before just sharing this entire framework and all the automation and everything, I would highly recommend make sure that you have a right messaging, that you're clear on the problem that you solve. Secondly, you are very much clear on the messaging as well. What are your benefits, your competition, some kind of marketing analysis, and the most important, you should have an acquisition channel. Now, if you're starting from zero, of course there are different ways to go about it. आप ऑर्गेनिकली ट्राई कर सकते हो, कॉल डीएम्स, कॉल्ड कॉलिंग और रेफरल्स के थ्रू आप अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो कर सकते हो टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट, बट बियॉन्ड दैट यू नीड दैट एक्विजिशन चैनल. सो मैं $25,000 की जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, यूजुअली जो हमारे क्लाइंट्स भी हैं जो इस नंबर या उससे ज्यादा भी करते हैं, तो दे डू हैव अ प्रॉपर एक्विजिशन चैनल. इवन इन आवर बिजनेस एज वेल, वी डू 7 figures per month in sales revenue, so we do have a proper acquisition funnel. So it's very important that you are very clear on all the things that I just mentioned to you. अगर वो clear नहीं होगा, then definitely आप sales को grow नहीं कर सकते हो. Sale, as I mentioned, is only one component. So today I will also touch base on this about the pre-sales element as well, so that you are aware what exactly needs to be fixed. And then of course I will get into the framework as well. So let's move on. The first step is basically having a compelling sales message. Now here, as I mentioned to you, your salesman should focus on the problem your audience is facing, how your solution is different from your competition, and a clear value proposition, how you are unique and different for that audience. So just to give you a framework on how to design it all together, so you can follow this framework called problem story teach framework. Problem means highlight a key challenge they are facing. Story means share how you or your client have overcome that problem. And then teaching is basically providing step-by-step actionable insights or a solution on how exactly you or your clients are getting those. Just like this, I'm just sharing it with you, right? A step-by-step action plan or a framework which is used by us and our clients as well to generate this amount of revenue. So that's the step number one. Now moving on to step two is more about optimizing your sales funnel. Now here basically the key components is about your landing pages, the call structures and everything. So I will just touch base on that. I will not go deep dive. And again, you can check out other videos in which I've shared about sales funnels as well if you are into ad tech, and depending upon whether you're into low ticket, mid ticket or a high ticket. Now low ticket is basically anything less than 20,000 rupees in Indian market, or 30,000 rupees. In fact, mid ticket can be 25 to 30,000 up to 65,000, and then from 60,000 onwards, that's a high ticket which can go up to 5 lakh or 10 lakh as well. This is just, there is no clear definition. I just shared with you to give you an example. Now landing page, you should have a clear headline with pain points and solution that I mentioned on your landing page or a website that you're using. Then it should be backed by testimonial case studies and wins that your clients or your customers have got, and there should be one call to action, not too many. And then of course the approach I will talk about, which is basically the framework. It's more of a consultative selling where you ask a lot of questions and of course handle the objections as well. Now I've created different videos on objection handling as well. You can again go and check out on my handle. I have shared a separate framework on how to handle objections, and of course next is the closer. Now let me also touch base on the automation side, as I mentioned to you. Now if you're starting from zero, then I do understand you might not would like to invest in a CRM, but having a CRM is must in case you have it. Otherwise Google Sheet works well as well. So CRM is basically a tool where you're going to collect all your acquired leads, whether you are using referrals, organic, or any kind of paid medium as well. You should be able to collect everything at one place, and that is your CRM. And it also help your sales team to have an entire data at one place so that they can put in their updates as well and mark their follow-ups accordingly. Now along with the CRM, the most important part is the automation. And this is one thing I feel a lot of businesses lack, and that is email sequence, text, or WhatsApp value cadence. There should be some automation reminders. There should be some kind of framing even before they are coming on a call. If you're using a call funnel or even a webinar as well, you should be able to prime them up before they show up in your webinar or a call funnel or your one-to-one call. So you need to have email cadence in which you're going to give the education, some case studies, some kind of framing you will do, and also handle the objection that they are having in their mind even before coming on a call. And of course through WhatsApp as well, you can create a reminder cadence there as well. And then comes the training part in which I will cover the sales framework. Now what exactly this framework is about, I've covered in other videos as well. So this framework is basically based on human psychology. It's not based on any kind of your product. And at tech में हमने बहुत देखा है कि काफी सारे teams जो हैं obsessed होती हैं अपने product के बारे में, उनके features के बारे में, क्या हम benefit देते हैं उसके बारे में. But a sales call is more about the individual. If you don't understand the individual, most likely you're going to lose the sale because you have not focused on that individual that is talking to you, right? So we have probing, pitching, pitching, pricing, and closing. Probing, as the name suggests, is asking insightful questions. Now there is again a six different checkpoints that we share with our clients, in which you need to make sure you have the right context setting, the framing as well, and there are again probing on their pain, challenges, what they have done in the past, all those kind of checkpoints which we create for our clients. Second is pitching, presenting a tailored solution. As I mentioned to you, every individual is different, तो हर किसी को आप एक सेम सॉल्यूशन नहीं चेप सकते हो, आपको वो कस्टमाइज करना पड़ेगा. एंड हाउ यू डू दैट? वंस यू हैव द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द इंडिविजुअल, देन ओनली यू कैन कस्टमाइज इट. And then comes the pricing. We're actually going to share the price with them, and of course if they have any objection queries, you should be able to answer and handle them in a proper way. And then comes the next step, that is closing, whether taking the payment in the same call itself or marking a follow up for the next steps. So this is basically a framework which we use it, our clients use it, and they are able to hit $25,000 a month. And there are some other clients as well who are doing around 100K, 60K, 70K, 80K in their revenue. We also share the same framework with them as well, with their team as well, whether it's a B2B, B2C, low ticket, mid ticket, or a high ticket. Same framework. As I mentioned, this entire framework is not based on any kind of product. ये आपका प्राइस कम है तो आप नहीं यूज कर सकते हो, आपका ज्यादा है. It's purely human psychology, as you can see as well, right? So this is exactly the framework I want you to train your team on. So if you really want to go from zero to $25,000, so your messaging should be absolute right, and you should have a proper acquisition funnel or acquisition channel to acquire leads. Now whether वो organic है, promotional है, some kind of collaborations है, paid marketing है, whatever, you should have these. अगर ये नहीं होंगे तो आप scale नहीं कर पाओगे. And then in closing, specifically in your sales funnel, sales automation, you should have automation in place, and you should train your sales team on this particular framework. If you can do this consistently for 5 to 6 months, I'm damn sure you'll be able to hit 25,000 US dollars. That will be roughly around 22 to 23 lakh per month in sales revenue. Overall, it's more than 2 CR annually, right? So what are the action steps for you to implement? As I mentioned to you, craft a strong sales message, set up a high converting sales funnel, implement the PPC framework in your sales process, and train your sales team on that, and then analyze and optimize for continuous growth. It's not a one time activity. You need to continue this activity forever till the time you are there in the business. And if you want a personalized guidance and one to one hand holding from my side, how I can help you to fix everything in your sales process and help you to set up your entire marketing funnels as well for your ad tech business, then you can find a link in the description below. You can book a one-to-one consultation call where you can fill out 6 to 7 qualification questions. Then one of my team members will reach out to you to see whether we are a good fit or not, and then accordingly we will connect, where I will share with you a step-by-step action plan on how exactly you can execute this in your business and scale your business to $25,000 per month like our other clients. I hope you will find this video useful. If yes, then put that in the comment section. And in case you have any questions or queries, वो भी आप comment section में mention कर सकते हो. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.